Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Oasis filters on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add a video that you want to edit, in here you just click on the filters at the bottom. And after this, in here you just click on the movies. And at the movies, you just click on the Oasis. Okay, and after this, in here you can see this is the before, this is after, before, after. And after this, in here you just click on the check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to add Oasis filters on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.